it's Annamaria with Speak Language Center with an Italian curiosity on pasta. And as you can see, I, for one, cannot live without pasta. And in Italy, we eat a lot of pasta. And sometimes you also hear, Mama, butta la pasta, which means, Mama, throw the pasta in the pot. And many of you are already familiar with the all kinds of pastas, from the spaghetti, ravioli, tortellini, gnocchi, tagliatelle, etc. Also, each region has their own type. For example, in the Puglia region, which is down south, they have the orecchiette, which means little ears, and they're cooked with broccoli, garlic, and oil. In the Liguria region, which is north near France, near the seaside, they have the trofie, and these are cooked with pesto, potatoes, and string beans. Pasta is usually made with water and flour, and then there is the pasta all'uovo, which is flour and egg. But then there is one kind of pasta that not so popular, not too many people knows about it, and is the pizzoccheri della Valtellina. So the pizzoccheri are made of buckwheat flour, 80% more or less. The rest is white flour and then water, of course. The Valtellina, it's an area in the Alps, in the Lombardy region, which is near Switzerland. So the pizzoccheri are cooked with a little bit of potatoes, a little bit of cabbage, and lots of cheese like fontina, lots of garlic, and lots of butter. All this combined together creates this rustic, earthy flavor, and also the coarse texture of the pasta makes a really unique dish, which is really perfect at the end of a day spent on the Alps, either skiing or hiking. A nice glass of wine, or whatever you drink. It's a perfect match made in heaven. Well, I hope I sparked a little bit of curiosity on another kind of pasta. Allora, buon appetito, a presto! Ciao ciao!